Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So basically I'm going to show you guys how to design this e-commerce website. So basically it's kind of very simple. Source code is available, just the main thing of them. So you can see it looks like you have one product. You can actually click a particular product to get the product. Okay. Holy moly, me and Boss is so much in here. I'm now confused. So let's just create an account there. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Boss. And register. Okay, and they're telling me there's me. Okay, wait, let me see. Looks like I forgot my password. Okay, yeah, I forgot. Okay, so thanks shop. So we have been product. Okay, you can just click on the product and take you to the product. Then you can add to carts or something. Yep, you can see that's how the website looks like. Yeah, so you can actually buy, click on buy, you can click on buy, upload apply coupon if you have any, or checkout. So when you click on checkout, you fill this, fill the address, fill everything, and you continue. Save. Now payment method, you can have different payment method if you feel like. You make payment to this and you put your payment transaction ID, then you click on checkout bank, then you hold on, looks like it's loading, then you get this message telling you that you've paid. You can view your product again, go back to your products, or go to your order to check your order, right? So that's all about the website. It's a simple website. So you can check my order. You see I have 3 orders. All right, so let me click my order. You can see my order unpaid because they're all pending. You can view your invoice to see your invoice and see your order. Yeah, that's how it works. Yeah, you can also print it out if you want to. Yeah, if you want to print out so you can see how it looks like. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to show you how to set up. So basically it's very simple to set up this, right? You can see it on my local host. So how you set this up? So first thing first, you get the file. Once you get the file, you upload the file to your public HTML, just like what I did here. I uploaded the file to my XAMPP. Now once you're done doing that, the next thing for you to do, you right click, you edit. Now, right, you can see this is test, this is root, right? The reason it is test and it is root is because I'm using my local host. You can use your control panel or hosting to be precise. To get your control panel hosting, you can get from Namecheap, Google, GoDaddy, etc. Now basically you can get from any hosting provider you feel like getting from. So once you're done doing that, you create a database. Now how you can create a database? Very simple. You go to your PHP admin and you create a database, then you set up allow all privileges, then you're done. So next thing for you to do when you're done with that, just like what I did, I go to my PageMyAdmin. You can see this is my PageMyAdmin, but this is on my local host. Then you click on your domain you create, your database you created. Then you're going to import. Click on import. Then you choose your file, which is the database. Now I'm going to show you guys where the database file is. If you want to find database file, click on, I'm using XAMPP, that's why I'm doing it like this. So this is where I uploaded the file. This is the file. So if you want to get your database, click on installer. Sorry, not installer, installable. Click on installable. Okay, I've deleted everything already. That's the reason why I can't find it here. But let me just show you a sample of what it looks like. Let me go to e-commerce. So you can see installable. You're going to see installer. You're going to see your database. Click on the database and you're going to import your database. Once you're done importing your database, you connect your database to your env file. Once you're done with that, you're good to go. So this is the website. So basically it's the admin of the website. That's a lot of function. That you can change the color. You can change the color of the website. See, mine is dark. I can change it to any color I feel like changing it to. I can change the name. You can change the name. You can change a lot of stuff. The currency. You can change a lot of things about the website. Yeah, you can change a lot of things about the website basically. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned, remain blessed, faith, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And feel free, if you have anything at all, you can DM me. If you have any projects you can want us to work on, you can also DM me. Yeah, thank you. Remain blessed.